Now let us talk about the evaluation about validity and reliability. Write your answer in your notebook. Number 1. What is the primary purpose of validity in quantitative research? A. To ensure that the instrument produces consistent result. B. To determine whether the instrument measure what it is intended to measure. C. To increase the number of respondents. D. To shorten the research process. Number 2. Which types of validity ensures that all important aspects of the variable are included in the research instrument? A. Phase. B. Criterion validity. C. Content validity. D. External validity. Number 3. A researcher asks 3 experts to review a questionnaire to determine whether all items are relevant to the research objective. Which type of validity is being established? A. Construct validity. B. Content validity. C. Internal validity. D. Criterion validity. Number 4. Which types of validity determines whether the results of a study can be generalized to other population or setting? A. External validity. B. Internal validity. C. Phase validity. Or D. Construct validity. Number 5. A new reading comprehension test produces scores that are highly similar to those of a nationally standardized reading examination. This demonstrates A. Content validity, phase validity, C. Criterion validity, or D. Internal validity. Number 6. Which statements best describes reliability? It measures how accurate the instrument is. B. Determines whether the research hypothesis is correct. C. It refers to the consistency of a research instrument in producing similar results. Or D. It guarantees that the research findings can be generalized. 7. A researchers administer the same questionnaire to the same group of students twice within a 2-week interval to determine whether the scores remain consistent. Which type of reliability is being assessed? A. Split up reliability. B. Inter-rater reliability. C. Test-retest reliability. Or D. Parallel form reliability. Number 8. Two teachers independently use the same rubric to evaluate the student's research presentation. Their scores are almost identical. This demonstrates A. Internal consistency, B. Test-retest reliability, C. Inter-rater reliability, or D. Criterion validity. Number 9. Which statement correctly describes the relationship between validity and reliability? A. Instrument can be valid without being reliable. B. Reliability guarantees validity. C. An instrument may be reliable without being valid. D. Validity and reliability have exactly the same meaning. 10. Which action would most effectively improve the validity of newly developed questionnaire? A. Administer the questionnaire repeatedly without revision. B. Increase the number of respondents regardless of relevance. C. Ask subject experts to evaluate whether the items align with the research objective. D. Make the questionnaire longer by adding unrelated questions. Okay, write your answer in your notebook.